How to change category icon on Spendee. Are you guys facing issues to change category icon on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just simply tap on categories, select the one that you want to change the icon of. Once you select it, you will be provided with various icons over here. Select it according to your preference. Once you select it, you can also change the color of the icon. After you select the color and icon, just simply tap on Save Changes. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to change the category icon on Spendee app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.